I'd like to introduce Marie quickly, who's the North Lanarkshire Unison Chair now. Bit of glamour, I'm only joking now.
Good afternoon, colleagues. Thanks so much for coming out on such a minging day. It's really good to see everybody here getting wet. I'm the chair of North Lanarkshire Unison Branch, and I just want to thank you again for coming out to this rally. Doing this, we're sending a clear message to the Council. We will not stand for these officer-led proposals to cut our jobs and our services to our communities, some of the most vulnerable communities in Scotland. In North Lanarkshire, as in the rest of Scotland, people care about public services, people trust and respect our members who provide for their children, their elderly relatives and their families, and this is an attack on our people and our communities. As a woman working for the authority, I'm well aware that these cuts will of course yet again have a devastating effect on women. Yet again, low-paid women will bear the brunt of these cuts. Classroom assistants, clerical workers, nursery nurses, home care staff, the people that provide vital services to our communities that need and deserve those services, to the people who really need it. These are the people that our officers want to cut adrift. It's a scandal that devastates services, it's a scandal that devastates jobs, and it's a scandal that will devastate communities if we let them away with it. Woo! We're talking about a council who uses the motto, service and people first. I think this is a council who knows the price of everything and the value of absolutely nothing. We need to say to our elected members, go back, have a think, stand up for what you believe in. You don't have to accept these cuts. See sense and stand up for what you believe in. And think about the people that you're turning out onto the scrap heap. Think about the women and families that will yet again bear the brunt of these cuts. And think about how you're going to rip the heart out of this community. Thank you.